What does it take to build an AI model that doesn't just get smarter, but becomes genuinely more useful to the people who rely on it every day? That's the question we set out to answer with Claude Sonnet 4.6. Released on February 17, 2026, Sonnet 4.6 is our most capable Sonnet model yet, a full upgrade across coding, computer use, long context reasoning, agent planning, knowledge work, and design. And for users on our free and pro plans, it's now the default model in Claude.ai and Claude Code at the same pricing as before. Let's start with coding, because the improvements here are significant. Developers who got early access to Sonnet 4.6 preferred it over its predecessor by a wide margin. They found it more consistent, better at following instructions, and less prone to the laziness and over-engineering that can make earlier models frustrating over long sessions. In fact, users preferred Sonnet 4.6 to Opus 4.5, our frontier model from just 3 months ago, 59% of the time. They reported fewer hallucinations, fewer false claims of success, and more reliable follow-through on complex multi-step tasks. In short, performance that once required reaching for an Opus-class model is now available in Sonnet. Now, computer use. This is one of the most transformative capabilities we've been developing, and Sonnet 4.6 represents a major leap forward. Back in October 2024, we were the first to introduce a general-purpose computer-using model. At the time, we were honest. It was experimental, sometimes cumbersome, but we expected rapid improvement, and that's exactly what's happened. OSWorld, the standard benchmark for AI computer use, tests hundreds of tasks across real software like Chrome, LibreOffice, and VS Code, running on a simulated computer with no special APIs or shortcuts. The model simply sees the screen and interacts with it the way a person would, clicking, typing, navigating. Across 16 months, our Sonnet models have made steady, remarkable gains on this benchmark. Early Sonnet 4.6 users are already seeing human-level capability in tasks like navigating complex spreadsheets or completing multi-step web forms across multiple browser tabs. We've also significantly improved resistance to prompt injection attacks, where malicious content on a web page tries to hijack the model's behavior. Sonnet 4.6 shows a major improvement here compared to Sonnet 4.5, performing on par with Opus 4.6. Sonnet 4.6 also introduces a 1 million token context window, available in beta. That's enough to hold entire code bases, lengthy legal contracts, or dozens of research papers in a single request. But more importantly, the model reasons effectively across all of that context. We saw this clearly in the vending bench arena evaluation, which simulates running a business over time with different AI models competing for profitability. Sonnet 4.6 developed a distinctive strategy. It invested heavily in capacity for the first 10 simulated months, spending more than its competitors, then pivoted sharply to profitability in the final stretch, finishing well ahead of the field. That kind of long-horizon planning is a direct result of the model's improved reasoning across an extended context. As with every new Claude model, we ran extensive safety evaluations. The findings were clear. Sonnet 4.6 is as safe as, or safer than, our other recent models. Our safety researchers described it as having a broadly warm, honest, and pro-social character, with strong safety behaviors and no signs of major misalignment concerns. Claude Sonnet 4.6 is available now across all Claude plans, Claude Code, our API, and all major cloud platforms. Developers can get started immediately using the model string Claude-Sonnet-4-6. The gap between capable and practical has never been smaller. We think Sonnet 4.6 is the clearest demonstration of that yet, and we can't wait to see what you build with it.